Hey there, I'm Dan Holme, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to join me at the Microsoft 365 Collaboration Conference, June 8th, 9th, and 10th. On June 9th, I'll be doing a keynote to share the latest innovations from Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Viva. Now, this is a very special event because you can join either in person in Orlando, Florida, or online. It's a truly hybrid event. In fact, even the speakers will be joining in person and online. I've been fully vaccinated, and while we'll maintain social distance, I am super excited to connect with you in person and to celebrate with the community the opportunity to come back together once again. This will be a chance to connect and to collaborate on what we can do together to help you, your company, and your customers achieve more. I'd like to say personally that I extend my heart out to everyone who has struggled this past year with personal and mental challenges, those who've lost colleagues and loved ones. I'd also like to say on behalf of all of Microsoft, a huge thank you to the first responders, to the parents, to the teachers, to the people who have kept IT running, and to everyone who's come together to work together to get us through this last crazy year. This, by the way, is my home office. This is where I've been stuck for the last year. And I'm super excited to break out of the boundaries of this office and to connect with the community once again. So whether online or in person, I look forward to seeing you at the Microsoft 365 Collaboration Conference and many events in the future.